If you'd like to see how I made this simple personal mirror plaque for my friend in less than 5 minutes, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be taking this Dollar Tree mirror and turning it to like some type of plaque, like an appreciation plaque for a really good friend of mine. I was trying to think of what I could make her because she was recently in a female bodybuilding championship, a competition. A female bodybuilding competition, and she placed very high and she won a couple of the championships. So she's doing a really good job and I'm so proud of her. So I went online and I just looked up some clip art for female bodybuilders, and I just kind of went with what I could find. So I found this and I thought that was like really nice. I cut out 2 of them and I want to make it fit on this mirror. This one may be a little too big and I just thought this blue color popped a little bit better. I originally wanted to incorporate some black in here, but I didn't have any. So I have that, I have her name, and then I have this trophy that I'm going to put on here as well. And then just some nice words. So first things first, you're going to need some type of cutter. I use my Silhouette Cameo. I have this picker to weed my vinyl, and you use sign vinyl. You use sign vinyl to weed out. You use sign vinyl to apply to things like mirror and glass surfaces. I'm going to be using some alcohol to thoroughly clean this mirror, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm actually going to be headed to see her soon. She's here because she's actually in the military over in Japan, so she's here in the States. So I'm going to go and see her, but I wanted to have something, you know, cute for her. Of course, I could have made her like a wine glass or something like that, but I just wanted to make her something a little more catered to what she has going on and something meaningful. Now, if you know anything about being a bodybuilder or just weight transformation, it takes a lot of hard work and dedication. So I really feel like she deserves a perfect gift, truly dedicated to honor that. So that's what this is going to be. I'm just wiping this off really good so that the vinyl sticks good. And then we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just kind of laying everything out to see how I'm gonna make everything fit the best. And I had it the wide way at first. Then I kind of decided that things would fit better if I turned it the longer way. Okay, so now that I figured out how I want to lay everything on the mirror, I'm gonna go ahead and use my old gift card and just go ahead and push this on, you guys, okay? And I've already wiped the mirror off with alcohol and made sure it was dry. Okay, so I'm almost finished, and literally once you have everything cut out and you know where you want to lay it down, this literally takes no more than 5 minutes. And I think this is perfect because you can customize it for any, and I mean any situation or any type of congratulations you want to give someone. If you want to make something, I feel like she could put this on her desk at work, or she can hang this up in her room or her living room. It's just something nice to have. I'm just gonna add just a few gems like I did for the teacher's gift video. Just a few gems. I did a video similar to this, making a gift for my daughter's teachers, and I added just a few gems on it to give it a little spunk. And this is Liquid Fusion. I just wanted to give it a little extra spunk by adding on these large size gem acrylic rhinestones, and it won't take too long for this to dry. So I'll just let that sit on there for maybe about an hour. By the time I get to her and give it to her, it should have settled on there pretty good. it's kind of like giving her my own little trophy, just to let her know that I really admire what she's doing. And I wanted to add a little bow to the hair. And voila. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this simple 5-minute Dollar Tree mirror DIY. You'll just need some signed vinyl and a Cricut cutter or a silhouette cameo just to add a special message onto a glass. I mean, you'd be surprised. It's very simple, but I know that she really did appreciate this. She definitely appreciated it. She thought it was pretty cool. And I thought it was nice to find the woman, the clip art woman with the muscles. Because, you know, there were a bunch of men with muscles, but I found the woman with the muscles, the little trophy, and then just some nice positive words. And she loved it. So, you guys, thanks for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, and you can follow me on Instagram if you'd like to, at Life is a Whole Vibe. Thanks for watching, and if you want to subscribe, that would be awesome. If you do, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you will be updated when I upload a new video. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.